Sa kahapon ho ba, Congresswoman, meron ng mga ebidensya o meron ng napag-usapan doon na tinanggap na at hindi na kailangan hindi na kailangan pag-usapan?
Well, there are some na may admission, pero syempre, as anticipated, mas marami ang denial, no?
Okay,
But Jerry, we cannot delve into the details of this,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hindi ko na itatanong.
Anticipated naman yun, Jerry, because
Opo.
this impeachment trial, this impeachment proceeding ay adversarial talaga. Magkalaban ang complainant at ang respondent, magkalaban ng prosecution at ang defense, no?
Tama po.
That's why we call it adversarial. Kaya adversarial, dahil inaakusahan namin sila, dumidepensa naman sila. So
Tama
it is
yun.
anticipated na may mga disagreements in the stipulations of facts. It is anticipated that most of the time, taliwas talaga ang posisyon ng prosecution at saka ng depensa. So just to update, no, Jerry, nag-start tayo kahapon ng marking of exhibits.
Opo.
And hopefully, matapos yan this coming Monday, no? Sana
Opo.
matapos.
Hanggang Monday.
Ngayong Monday.
Opo.
Kasi 4 na articles of impeachment yun sa
Dami
atin.
niyan.
Na
Ang dami.
isinampa. Yes. Iba yung documentary exhibits per article.
Opo.
So, yung dalawang mahaba at marami, yun ang aming inihuli sa Monday. So hopefully, matapos ngayong Monday, ang marking of exhibits. Pag natapos yon, ang hihintayin na lang namin is pre-trial order.
Ayan.
At doon naman sa pre-trial order, kung meron kaming concern, medyo may hindi nabanggit na napag-usapan sa PTC, medyo inaccurate yung nabanggit doon, may gusto kaming ihabol, we can file a comment to that. And then, ang maliwanag kahapon, Jerry, ang start talaga ng trial is July 6.
July 6.
Magtutuloy-tuloy na yan. Oo.
Opo.
Kaya we would like to commend the impeachment court, the prosecution team, and even the defense team for
Opo.
taking a stance towards an expeditious proceeding for this pre-trial, no?
Opo.
Para makaumpisa na tayo sa July 6 because after all, ito'y matagal nang
Matagal nang hinihintay.
ng taong bayan.